We humans are a power-hungry species. Our energy requirement is increasing very rapidly day by day. We harness energy out of every possible source available, like sun, wind, fossil fuel and many more. But in upcoming years, all these sources will not be sufficient to fulfill our energy needs. In upcoming few years, we will become a Type 1 civilization, and will be able to use all the energy available on Earth. When we are done with our Earth, we will look upon other planets, and in the end, we will go for the Sun. We would be creating a Dyson sphere, which will be like a shell, covering the Sun, and gain as much energy as possible from the Sun. At this stage we will be a Type 2 civilization. But this is not the end. As we will become more and more advanced, our energy requirement will increase. We will require some huge source of energy. So, what about using the most destructive object in the universe as our energy source? Yes, I am talking about a black hole. Black holes can be a source for tremendous amount of energy. But, how are we going to harness energy from it, as we all know that anything that gets closer to it is sucked in. Even light cannot escape from it. So, how we are going to do that? Well, scientists have come up with an idea to harness energy from the black hole. So, how are we going to do this? How much energy can we get from a black hole? And what can we do with such a high amount of energy? Let's see in this video. To get updated with latest astronomy news, subscribe to our channel. Black holes are objects which engulf everything that comes in their path, even the light. But as it engulfs matter, it also releases some energy. Now, you might be thinking, how energy is released by it, as even light cannot escape the gravity of a black hole. We can extract energy from its ergosphere. This is a region outside the event horizon of a black hole. In 1971, Nobel Prize winner Roger Penrose suggested that disintegration of particle just outside a black hole can release energy. In 1974, Stephen Hawking said, a black hole can release energy through quantum mechanics emission, called Hawking radiation. So, how this process exactly works? Well, according to recent studies, black holes are surrounded by plasma particles. Those plasma particles have magnetic fields. When these magnetic fields break and reconnect in the right way, then these particles are pushed up against the spin of black hole. These particles take up negative energy, causing them to fall into the black hole. Meanwhile other plasma spin in the same direction, and gain extra mass, and escape the ergosphere with energy. In the ergosphere the reconnection process is very extreme, due to which, the relative speed between the particles moving in and out of the black hole matches the speed of light. This type of energy can have efficiency of 150%. In the far future we will need this type of energy source. Now, some scientists also suggest that there can be some advanced civilization which is already using this process. This can be the reason for black hole flares, which we receive on Earth. In future we could use black holes for long-distance space travel or for forward time travel. Event Horizon can act as a slingshot to propel a craft at a very high speed. Let's see what is there for us in the future.